question number 9. You are given two set of number cards from 1 to 9. Place a number card in each box below to get largest possible sum. First case, right? You have to place the numbers to get largest possible sum. That is the first case. Largest possible sum you have to get. And then second, you have to get smallest possible difference. Okay, smallest possible difference you have to get. So two cases, right? The condition, we can use the numbers, okay, 1 to 9 in two set of cards. So here I have taken the picture. In set 1 we have 9 numbers, okay, 1 to 9. In set 2 we have 9 numbers. We are going to use this, okay, 9 plus 9, 18 numbers to fill this box to get the largest possible sum first. Okay, largest possible sum. Sum is nothing but while adding the two numbers, you have to get the highest value. Okay, so what could be the highest value? Okay, the largest possible sum is 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Next, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I'm just taking the number in this order. First, I'm just repeating 9, 9. Next, 8, 7, 5, 4. Next, I'm just starting with 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So if you are writing the numbers in this order, right? So if you are adding this, so you can get 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. 5 plus 5 is 10. Balance 1. Okay. 12, 13. Okay. Balance 1. 7 plus 7, 14. Plus 1 is 15. Plus 1, 8 plus 8 is 16. 17 plus 1. Okay. It will become 10. Again, 1 is carryover. Then this is 10. So I'm just getting, okay, this, okay, 1,75,308. So my answer is B. Correct? The same way, we have to find the smallest possible difference. While subtracting the two numbers, you have to get the smallest possible difference. So I have taken the number as 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 9, 9, 8, 8, 7. If you are arranging this, so you'll be getting the answer as you can just subtract. Okay, if you are subtracting, so you'll be getting the answer as, okay, 1, 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 7. Okay, you can just subtract and check. That means you'll be getting, right, 1000 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakhs 22,444 is the answer. Now question number 10. So you are given some number card 4,000 and 13,000, 300, 70,000. Next, 1,50,000, 25. Using the cards, get as close as you can to the number below using any operation you want. Each card can be used only once for making a particular number. Here I have given the number card. Okay, you can use this only this number cards to get the given number. Here first question is given, right, 1,10,000. For writing 1,10,000, you have this many cards. While taking this many cards, you have to get exact number or closest to 1,10,000. This also, right? So answer may be differ. You can just take any value, okay, any cards, you can just place it. Answer may be differ, right? So directly I'm just taking the answer. Okay. So what are the numbers I'm just using? 4,000, okay, into 20 plus 5 plus 13,000. Okay, I'm just using 4,000, 25 and 13,000. While I'm just using this number itself, right? So I'm just getting the answer. So closest to, right, 1,13,000. Okay, 1,13,000 is closest. You can try in some other way also. If you are getting very closest rather than this, you can take that answer. Next for 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs I'm using. Okay, 1000, 1 lakh 50,000 and 70,000 minus 4,000 into 5. I'm just getting exact 2 lakhs. C1, 5 lakhs 80,000. I'm just using 70,000 into 5 plus 4,000 into 20 plus 1 lakh 50,000. Okay, so I'll be getting this also exact answer is coming up. Okay, 5 lakhs 80,000. 5 lakhs 80,000. Exact answer. So D1, 12 lakhs 45,000 can be written as 70,000 into 20 minus 300 into 5 minus 4,000 minus 1 lakh 50,000. Okay. So I'm just getting the answer 12 lakh 44,500. It is very closest to 12 lakhs 45,000. The last one, okay, 20 lakhs 90,800. It can be written as 13,000 into 300 minus 70,000 into 20 plus 5 plus 4,000 minus 1 lakh 50,000. So you're getting 20 lakh 4,000. Okay, approximate and nearest to 20 lakhs 90,800. Okay, now I'll just moving into the next question. 11th one. Find out how many coins should be stacked to match the height of the Statue of Unity. Assume each coin is 1 millimeter thickness. 1 millimeter thickness. Now height of each coin is given 1 millimeter. Okay, height of each coin is given 1 mm. Okay, 1 mm. Height of Statue of Unity 180 meter. This is meter. Okay, here coin is given in millimeter, so height is given is meter. So you have to just convert both into the same unit. I'm just going to convert, okay, 180 meter into millimeter. That means 1 meter. So 180 into, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 100 centimeter, again centimeter into millimeter. That means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, first convert into centimeter, centimeter to millimeter. That means we are getting 180 here. 1 2 3 zeros I have to take. Okay, 3 zeros. Okay, that is millimeter. So both I have converted into the same unit, millimeter. Now number of coins to be stacked. Okay, number of coins to be stacked is equal to, just divide. Okay, so this is nothing but if you are placing the comma, 1000 lakhs. Okay, 1 lakh 80,000. So millimeter. So divided by 1 millimeter. Okay, if you are dividing anything by same 1, we'll be getting the same answer. 1 lakh 80,000. Okay, coins we needed. Okay, so we need 1 lakh 80,000 coins to be stacked to reach the height of unity. Okay, question number 12. Okay. A, a gray-headed albatross have roughly 7 feet wide wingspan. They are known to migrate across several oceans. Albatross can cover about 900 to 1000 kilometers in a day. One of the longest single trip recorded is about 12,000 kilometers. How many days would such a trip take to cross a Pacific Ocean approximately? Okay. So this the question is given. They're asking how many days would such a trip to take across a Pacific Ocean approximately. Okay, here all the questions are related to little GK also. Okay, so questions given along with GK, general knowledge. Okay, it's given. Okay, total trip. Okay, total trip is given how much? 12,000 kilometer. Okay, 12,000 kilometer. So distance cover in a day. Okay, in a day is given, it can cover 900 to 1000 kilometer. It can cover 900 to 1000 kilometer. Now, estimated number of days if it's fly 900 kilometer. Okay, if it's fly 900 kilometer, how many days? Okay, how to find out? So total is given. Okay, 12,000 kilometers. So divided by, okay, 900. 12,000 kilometer divided by 900. So you will be getting the answer. So we'll just check it out. So 0, 0 get cancelled, 0, 0 get cancelled, right? And if you are just simplifying, you are getting 120 divided by 9. Again, I can just use 3 table. 4 3s are 12, 0 divided by 3 3s are 9. 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 2. Again, if I use 3 table, 1 3s are 3, balance 1, it will become 10. 3 3s are 9. Again, balance 1, I can take the decimal. 1 means it will become 10. Again, 3 3s are 9. So it's going with 13.33. So approximately I can just take it up. Okay, approximately I'm just taking 14 days. Okay, 14 days. Next, estimated number of days if it's fly 1000 kilometer per day. Okay, 1000 kilometer if it's flying, so we can just divide. Finding number of days. Okay, 12,000. So divided by 1000. So 3030 get cancelled. 12. I'm just getting 12 days. So therefore, it would take approximately, so 12 to 14. I can just take, it would take approximately 12 to 14 days. Approximately it will take 12 to 14 days for a grey-headed albatross to complete 12,000 kilometer trip across the Pacific Ocean. A bar-tailed godwit hold the record for the longest record non-stop flight. It traveled 13,560 kilometers from Alaska to Australia without stopping. Its journey started on 13th October 2022 and continued for about 11 days. Find out the approximate distance it covers every day. Find out the approximate distance it covers every hour. So two questions they ask. Find out the approximate distance covered every day. That is the first question. Second, find out approximate distance it cover every hour. Okay. Now here the total distance is given 13,560 kilometer. Okay. Next, duration. It's taken 11 days. Okay. 11 days is given. 11 days. So each day will be having 24 hours. Okay. 24 hours. Each day we are having 24 hours. Now, duration in hours. 11 days means we'll be taking 11 into 24. Okay, 11 into 24 will be getting 264. Okay, 264 hours. So, distance cover per day. Okay, distance cover per day. Per day means first they are asking distance cover per day. That means 560. So, divided by per day means you got to divide with 11 days. Okay, divide with 11 days. Okay. So if you are just dividing it, I'll just give the direct answer. If you are dividing, you will be getting 1,232.73. We are getting it. Okay. This is approximately, we can take it as 1,233 kilometer. Okay. This is for finding how many days. Next, they are asking find approximate distance it will cover every hour. Every hour means you got to just divide by 264. Correct? So we have to just divide. Okay, 13,560. So just divided by 264. Okay. So we can just divide. So you will be getting 51.36. So that is approximately we can take it as 51 kilometer. Okay, 2 case we got the answer. Okay, bald eagle are known to fly as high 4,000 4,500 to 6,000 meter above the ground level. Mount Everest is about 8,850 meter high. Aeroplane can fly as high as 10,000 to 12,800 meter. How many times bigger are these height compared to Somus building? Okay, Somus building height we already had a discussion in the previous classes, right? The height of Somu building is 44 meter. Okay, and here, okay, bald eagle's flight height is given 4,500 to 6,000 meter. 4,500 to 6,000 meter. Okay, here as they given, so two values 4,500 to 6,000, you'll be getting two types of answer. If you are taking 4,500, you'll be getting one answer, and 6,000 you'll be getting one more answer. Okay, lower estimate. They are asking how many times bigger are this height compared to Somus building. We are just going to compare with Somus building. If it's the lower limit is 4,500, okay, the comparison will be 4,500, okay, just divided by the Somus building is 44. Okay, we have to divide with 44. Just divide, so you will be getting 102. Okay, so 102 is coming. If you are taking the upper estimate 6,000, okay, 6,000 divided by 44. Okay, so you'll be just getting not equal to approximately, right? So just divide and you'll be getting approximately 136 answer. Okay, estimation here 102, this also approximate answer, and while dividing 6,000 by 44, 136 kilometer. So from this I'm just taking approximately 100 to 150 times. Okay, 100 to 150 times I'm just taking the answer. Okay, 100 to 150, round off. Okay, 100 to 150 times. Okay, therefore here just writing, okay, bald eagle flies about 100 to 150 times. Okay, 100 to 150 times higher than Somus building. Okay, how many times? The meaning is, okay, for reaching, okay, Somus building 44, 44 into dash to reach the height of 4,500 meter. That is nothing but how many times? Okay, 44 should be multiplied with how many times? That means we are getting answer as 102. Approximately, if you are multiplying with 102, we may reach 4,500. That is the lower limit. To reach 6,000, right? 44 into 136, we may reach 6,000. How many times is? So from this, we are getting approximately 100 to 150 times. Now, second, the Mount Everest is about 8,850 meter high. Now we have to find out how many times is bigger. Okay, how many times is bigger. So either you can go with the multiplication format or go with the division format. Both it will be correct. If it's a multiplication format, means we have to multiply. We have to check 44 into what we will be getting 8,850. So in division format means we will just divide and check. Okay, 8,850 just divided by Somus building height is 44. If you are dividing, approximately you will be getting 201. Okay, so how many times bigger means? So 201 times. So Mount Everest is about 201 times taller than Somus building. 10,000 to 12,800. 800 meter. Now, so the lower limit is 10,000. Okay, lower limit is 10,000. And upper limit is upper estimate. Okay, a lower estimate means you have to just check, right? So 10,000, so divided by 44. We are just dividing 10,000 divided by 44. Okay, like first question. Here also two case. One is lower limit and upper limit is coming. That's why we are just going with lower limit and upper limit. Just divide 10,000 divided by 44. So we'll be getting approximately, right? So approximately we'll be getting 227. So upper limit, that is 12,800. So just divided by 44. So you'll be getting approximately 291. Therefore, approximately both, I can just take it up 230 to 290 times. So round off. Okay, 230 to 290 times I'm just taking up. Therefore, airplane flies about 230 to 290 times higher than Somus building.